Hey everyone, welcome to the course. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Dr. Beacon. I'm your guide and Python expert. I use Python every day to solve fun problems at work. I'll be with you on your Python adventure, showing you the way step by step. And don't worry, you won't be exploring alone. You'll have a learning buddy too, Eddie.
Hi, I am Eddie. I am 10 years old and just started exploring Python myself. I'm really excited to dive into this with you. Let's discover the secrets of coding together.
In this course, we're going to take an exciting journey into the world of Python. Python is a computer language that people use to talk to computers and tell them what to do. Don't worry if you've never done this before. We'll go step by step together. First, we'll set everything up. We'll install Python and also a cool program called VS Code. You can think of VS Code like your own special notebook where you'll write instructions and the computer will listen and do what you say. Then we'll start learning the basics of coding. We'll learn about variables, which are like little boxes where you can store things, your name, your age, or even a secret word. We'll learn about data types, which are just different kinds of information, like numbers for math, words for names, or yes/no answers. And we'll learn how to ask for input from the user. That just means the computer can ask you a question, like what's your favorite color? And when you type in blue, the computer can say back, wow, I like blue too. After that, we'll play with some really fun coding tools. We'll do math with code, almost like building our own calculator. We'll use conditions to make decisions like, if it's raining, take an umbrella. We'll use loops to make the computer repeat things, kind of like when a song chorus plays over and over. And we'll make our own functions, which are like little magic spells we can use whenever we want. And here's the best part. While we're learning, we'll make fun projects together. You'll get to build your own games, quizzes, and even little stories that the computer will tell the way you design them. By the end, you won't just be playing with computers, you'll be the one giving them instructions. So, are you ready? Let's jump in and start cracking some code together. See you soon.
Ready to code something cool? Join me to learn Python. See you soon.